Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up SEO reporting template using Databox, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Databox account. Once you're in, navigate to the dashboard section. Click on the Create a New Dashboard button. You'll see a list of available templates. Search for SEO reporting in the template library. Select the SEO reporting template that suits your needs. Click on the Use Template button to add it to your dashboard. Next, you'll be taken to the dashboard editor. Here, you can customize the layout and components. Choose the metrics that are important for your SEO reporting, such as organic traffic and keyword rankings. To add a new metric, click on the Add Metric button. Browse through the available integrations and select the ones relevant to your SEO data. Once you pick an integration, authenticate it if prompted. After authenticating, select the specific data points you want to track. Drag and drop the selected metrics into your dashboard layout. You can also customize each metric's visualization type, such as line charts or bar graphs. Make sure to arrange the metrics in a logical flow for easy reading. Once you're satisfied with the layout, click the Save button. To share the dashboard, click on the Share button on the top right corner. Choose your sharing options, whether for team members or stakeholders. Finally, schedule regular reports by setting a frequency for automatic email updates. Now you're ready to monitor your SEO performance with your custom Databox report. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.